Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to find the sitemap of any website, what is the sitemap of a website, and how you can use SEMrush to see if your website has a sitemap issue. Now, this is a thing that a lot of people don't actually know about. If your website has a sitemap issue or not, you will be able to check it out with SEMrush. So, first of all, how you can find the sitemap of any website. Now, as you can see, what is a sitemap even? So a sitemap is a file that shows the structure of a website, including its pages and content and the relationship between them. Search engines use sitemaps to crawl websites more efficiently, and having a sitemap is an important part of SEO. So if you don't have a sitemap yet, make sure to have it. You can watch some of our other tutorials on that. Now, as you can see, we have XML sitemaps. These are sitemaps that are written in specific format designed for search engine crawlers. And we have HTML sitemaps, which are sitemaps that look like regular pages and help users navigate the website. So basically, as you can see, how can you actually go and find the sitemap? Usually the sitemaps are at the end of your website. For example, this is an HTML sitemap by H&M Group. You can see that you can find this by going and scrolling down on their website, and most websites have this. However, some websites do not have sitemaps, and these are usually a new type of websites. Now, you can either go to the manual check to see if your website has a sitemap. So, for example, you have domain.com/sitemap.xml, or quite often, especially if the website uses WordPress, you have Yoast SEO plugin, and you'll be redirected to a sitemap index. In this case, it will look like this particularly. So if you have a WordPress website and if you want to incorporate the sitemap, you can use this particular SEO or Yoast SEO plugin. Now, how can you actually go and see if your website has sitemap issues? Now, for this, you can use a tool within SEMrush that is called a site audit tool. Now, as you can see, this is basically what the tool is about. What you can do is you can go to the site audit projects and then site audit. Here on the on page and tech SEO, you have a subsection where you can go and where you can visit, and you can put in your website here to see whether or not your website has sitemap issues. If you want, you can get a 14-day free trial on SEMrush to try this yourself. However, let's just go and let's see what this particular tool does. So as you can see, once we get the site audit, this is how it's going to look like, and we just need to click on the website. Actually, this is how it's going to look like, and then you need to click on the website. Once the pages are crawled successfully, you will be able to see this right here. This is your site health, and you can see a lot of different things, but what we're looking here is we're looking for issues. Specifically, we can see here all the issues that are connected to a website. Not just that, but we can also see sitemap issues. So we can type in sitemap, and we can see all the issues for our sitemap. Now, as you can see, sitemap XML not indicated in robots text. These are just some warnings. However, for errors, we have 0 errors. That means that our sitemap is healthy and everything is fine. So this way you can check out the sitemap of your website. It's a very useful tool. Not just that, SEMrush has a lot to offer, not just these type of tools, but you can also search for keywords, specific keywords. You can do backlink analytics and analysis, backlink audits, link building tools, and a lot more. So if you want to check it out, again, you have the link down below in our description for a 14-day free trial. Now, thank you guys for watching. This was the video on how to find the sitemap of any website. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.